bwo kwetebekanisiza okwakiira omusinga wa Rwenzururu omu district ya Kasese kurukugenda misho abaturage omu kicweka eki bareberweho bari omu mahisa nyungu kiri kutogota kitafundikire barikuzina ebizino by'enzarwa obwo bashemerirwe ahubwo kugira ngo omusinga wabo yaza kugaruka. Mushachi witu wa makuru Omar Kasese arikugezaho kugamba na Minister wa ICT hamwe na National Guidance Honorable Godfrey Baluku ogunagira ngo barumune betebekanisiza okwakiira omusinga wa Rwenzururu izobe rya nyensya kare ebirobe nabyo kwezo kwikumi kandi nagira ngo nashaba abantu boona omu district ya Kasese okugira obucurera obutebekana babano bakiira omusinga.
As I talk now, the confirmation I got from the Deputy Prime Minister, Right Honorable Edwin Kugonza, is the homecoming of 4th is still on, and people should be calm. The king is now free to move, so he can come anytime. Let people be calm. Let them continue preparations of receiving him back home, and let there no be stampede. Because people shouldn't be overexcited and all that.
I hereby announce that Omusinga Charles Wesley Iremangoma will be arriving on October 4. There is no question that he is coming. Anyone who is trying to bring some confusion is doing it for his own purposes. If anything happens between now and October 4, we will also tell you and say because of A, B, C, D, the Omusinga is not able to come. But I want you to know that the Omusinga is coming.
Honorable Godfrey Baluku hona yonjire yashaba abaturage hamwe n'abanyabutegetsi mu busingo bwa Rwenzururu okurebeka ngo baburenjiri eyo kuretaho businge kandi barebeke ngo na munonga esirabagiteka habintu ebiraya batungure kutari kuretaho ubwangane umurundo gwa kandi.
Some of those people who are circulating propaganda that is not coming are just the haters of development and peace. Yeah, so those haters are always there in this Kasese here, but this time I would like to appeal to the Rwenzururu that let us not be diverted. Let the new team now has already promised the people that they want to rebrand OBR. So let us continue with that rebranding and not fall into a trap of any person who is going to detract us.
Or presidential advisor ahabwe cyange cya Rwenzori Christian Muhindo ugashabira abaturage umucyange cya Rwenzori ukurebeka ngo nabafaye munonga kandi barebeke ngo program za government bazitekaho mutuma kandi ebiza leta byona bagumana babiteko mu nkora na munonga keje myuga hamwe na parish development model okubasa kugira ngo zikabasa kubatungura zibiho mu bworo.
Like the people of Kasese to unite so that they work together with the Omusinga and everybody, because Omusinga is for everybody. Omusinga does not segregate in tribes or religion or what, but the Omusinga is a cultural leader. I mean, it's a culture leadership for the people of Kasese. So I hope when the Omusinga comes, the people of Kasese will have to work with him so that we develop, because the Omusinga also will have to bring in the development in the district so that we can transform it. Everyone wants to live in a place which is peaceful. We want peace in Kasese, and I hope we shall continue working together in unity so that we fight poverty.
Okurujira hari umukuru w'akaciko akariyoni katebekanisa umukoro gwo kwakira omusinga wa Rwenzururu Dr. Mumbere wa Lemba ogunagira ngo bwanyuma yo musinga okiko mu rurembo rwa Kasese izobe rya nyensya kare nayija kugiraho okugamba n'abaturage hamwe n'abantu boona omucyange eki ahari golf course.
Unfortunately, for those who wanted to meet him and greet him and he greets them on the road, unfortunately he is not coming by road. The Omusinga will come by air. When he arrives, of course, you know how people will welcome him. We will go to the golf course up there where we normally have the coronation anniversary celebrations. And the only reason we are going up there is because it has a big place which can contain the crowds.
Amakuru aga gashakwa Muhindo Gerard ahabwa Sky TV agenshonga.